I am in Fort Santiago, which is the oldest fortification here in Manila. I think this way. The entry is 75 pesos per person. Students or kids, seniors, they pay less, is 50 pesos. They have some shooting here, I don't know if it's wedding or what. Actually, this gate is the main entrance. They do have some performance here. They are actually wearing traditional Filipinos clothes. In past, all these clothes was made from pineapple leaves. All this area is really traditional. Here we have some information.
And if you notice, this one is white, the side is black. This one is only built because during World War II, 1945, yes, because one war tank pushed through inside, because that is used to be the barracks of the Japanese. Okay, and then during that time we don't have cement, so we mix lime.
It's very nice.
But right, and the one who
If you want, you can pay for tour guide. They will show you everything here around, and they will give you some more information about this for Santiago and also about Philippines in general.
The second Nobel continues by result. Besides, continue the second Nobel because of the three Filipinos. Bursa. Why? Because also the three Filipinos.
It is actually really interesting how you can see the contrast here in the Philippines. On one side you have really poor people or really old buildings, and on the other side you have lots of skyscrapers, modern building, and like even here, like this is historic part, and then behind you have some skyscrapers, some modern building, they still building something there. Actually, to be honest, Philippines really remind me Sri Lanka. It's something like between Sri Lanka and Thailand. You can feel the Spanish influence here. If you want, you can visit a museum. It is inside there. You can enter the museum from downstairs here. It is included in your ticket. You don't need to buy another ticket, but it's strictly prohibited to record there, so I don't have any videos. But it's really nice. It's information about time when Philippines was colonized. If you want, you can sit here. I guess is like small snack bar. Yes. We have also some information here about the museum. You can actually really see the Spanish influence here in this part of Philippines. It was colonized for 300 years, from 16th century till 19th century. So you can really see it here. Even like all this museum is about that period of time. You can actually go there. It's like a bomb shelter, but I'm claustrophobic, so I'm not going there, but I will show you where you end up. So if you go to bomb shelter, you will go off in this part, and you can see this river here. You can also see this Lego exhibition here. This is a typical jeepney. It's like a bus here in Philippines, and they have all Filipinos' most important buildings and churches here. Central Post Office. Church. This is nice. Here are some Lego bricks. Downstairs they have also some buildings. They are built from just these white Lego bricks. It's really good because you can see what you actually can see here in Manila. So come here first and then you will know what you want to explore here in Manila. And this is just the viewpoint and end of this Fort Santiago. And this is actually the end of the fort. I think I saw everything here. It was really good, like for 75 pesos. We spent here like almost 2 hours walking around and learning more about Filipinos' culture and Spanish influence. I'm in front of the Basilica, going inside. It should be free entry. If you need water or some snack, you can buy it here in front of Basilica. And this building is a government. I think we can't go inside because there is a mass. But you can check this information here. This is the model of Basilica. I am in front of Agustin Church, which is UNESCO heritage. It's nice, and here in this part you can really see the Spanish influence. And I'm going inside. I am entering Binondo Chinatown. This is the oldest Chinatown in the world. I'm in the market. You can buy everything here. You can have some fresh fruits, some food.
Yakit mo. Opla.
It's really nice. It's so noisy here. I'm going to check one Basilica, which is nearby, and then I think I will go to grab some food. Here is the Basilica. I was actually from other side, so here is the main entrance. There is a square. And let's go inside. We are going to Lucky China, this China mall, and hopefully we will find something to eat. In the mall you can actually see these lucky Buddhas. Buddha with children. You have some information here. It's nice. And we are on the way to restaurants. You can see this cool dragon here and the mall. We actually had a ramen. There is a food court on 3rd or 4th floor. I'm not sure. I think it was 4th floor. So there is a food court, but lots of other restaurants as well. Really affordable for ramen. I paid 189 pesos, which is approximately 250 pounds.